Now, question 15 of KCSE paper 2 2024, you're told that a particle from a point O moves towards a straight line of velocity after t seconds is given by velocity is equals to 9t squared minus 18t plus 10. So calculate the distance. Distance means displacement. These are from 4 work. By the particle at t is 1 and t is 2. So if you are at a velocity and you want to find displacement, you have to integrate. So to integrate, this is what you're going to do to go back to s. You're going to add 1 here, and the total you're bringing down here. So this is 3, so you bring here 3. Add 1, because here it is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, we bring 2 here. Now, because here t is 0, so 0 plus 1, and that 1 we bring it here. So this will make our new equation to be 3t cubed minus 9t squared plus 10t. So this is what I'm going to integrate, having the boundaries of 2 and 1 for the values, the one that are there, because we can just put dt. So if in the first part you're going to replace t with the 2, so it is 3 into 2 cubed minus 9 into t squared, 2 squared, not t squared, plus 10 into 2. Then we subtract. The second one, it is 3 into 1 cubed minus 9 into 1 squared plus 10 into 1. So for the first part, we are going to get 8, and for the second part, we are going to get 4, which gives my answer. Remember, it is displacement and it is the same as distance. So distance is 4 meters. That is how the question is done under calculus.